Hello, everyone! We are HJZ Laser Machine Manufacturer from China. We produce laser machines, including laser engraving, welding, cleaning, and cutting machines. Today, I would like to share with you our latest model of laser cleaning machine. This machine matches with two screens. One is displayed on the laser machine, and the other screen is handheld. It is very easy and convenient to control it. Let me share the details with you from here. This is the language change interface. You can select languages here. Supports global customization in any single language. The cable length is 10 meters. And if you want more longer, we can also match for you. Cleaning width is 100 to 300 millimeters. It is specially designed with circular air curtains, creating a protective layer to keep dust out and prolong the life of the lens. It is aviation aluminum, good heat dissipation, and lightweight. This part is filtered. It can separate oil and water from air directly. It comes with focus support to keep stable cleaning. It supports different cleaning modes. This is the dot cleaning mode. This is the line mode. This is unidirectional rectangle mode. This is bidirectional rectangle. This is sine. This is spiral. This is circle. This is tori. This is rotation. This is triangle. If any laser machine is interested in, welcome to contact HJZ Laser.